everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little crochet bird. It works great as an applique and it's pretty easy to make. So let's get started. To make the bird applique, I'm using I Love This Cotton in the color Stonewash. I'm also using a G6 or 4.25 millimeter hook. We're going to start with a magic circle. Alternatively, you can also chain 4 and slip stitch into the first chain to make a loop. But I'm just going to start with a magic circle. We're going to start by chaining 3. This will count as your first double crochet. Now make 15 double crochets into your circle. Once you have 15, you can pull it tight and close the loop. And we'll do that by slip stitching into that first chain 3. Now we're going to chain 12. Now going back onto the third stitch, we're going to make a half double crochet. So we're going to skip the first 2 stitches and go into this third one right here. Then we're going to single crochet in every stitch down the row. Okay, when you reach the end, you're going to slip stitch into this first stitch and the second stitch. Now we're going to be working this way, back down the body. Now we're going to skip the first 2 stitches, 1, 2, and we're going to work into this third stitch right here, and we're going to make 6 double crochets. So bring your yarn over here, yarn over, 1, 2, 3 right there. We're going to make 6 double crochets. Once you've made 6 double crochets, you're going to skip 1 stitch and slip stitch into the next 3 stitches. So skip that one and slip stitch into this stitch, 2, 3. Now we're going to turn again. Now we're going to skip 1, 2 stitches and we're going to make 3 double crochets into this stitch. So yarn over, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to make 2 double crochets into every stitch for the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you should end up here. So now we end up here. You're going to slip stitch into the head and we're going to single crochet up around the head all the way back to the back of the body. So every stitch a single crochet. Once you reach the end, slip stitch into the last stitch and fasten off. Now we have a bird, but it doesn't have a beak, so we're going to add the beak. For the beak, I love this cotton in the color dark denim. And I have this little baby one right here that's really good for just little things like beaks and flowers. So the beak is really simple. I decided to put my beak in the second chain. So I insert my hook, pull the yarn through, and then chain one. We're going to single crochet into the next stitch, and then chain one and fasten off. That's it. There's your beak. There's the other side if you want it pointing that way. And if this bothers you right here, you can always use a yarn needle. Work the yarn through and cover up that little section so that you have a solid beak. Easy peasy. Now we need to make a little wing for this bird, and you can make one or two, whatever you prefer, but the wings are really simple. You're going to make a magic circle or a chain 4, whichever you prefer, and you're going to chain 2. 1, 2, and this is going to count as your first half double crochet. Then you're going to make 7 half double crochets into the loop. Once you have 8, you're going to close your loop. So we're going to slip stitch into the chain 3, which is your first half double crochet. Now we're going to make a half double crochet into the next stitch. And chain 1. That's it. So the next step is to sew the wing on. For the eye of the bird, you can embroider an eye, or you can add a button. You can put it there if you'd like, or a safety eye by just putting it like that. For mine, I think I'm going to use just a black safety eye, and I think I want it to be about right there. There we go. I'll just add this on the back like that, and I'm going to snip off this little end. And that's it. Now we have our duck. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. That's all for now. Please let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time.